Stacy?
Bob? Lucy? Miranda?
Alan?
Tim?
Hi!
Well, I've never been on one of these blind
Online.
Tinder
Days
dates before.
before. Neither have I.
It's beautiful
Beautiful
here
here
in
in
this
this
cafe.
cafe.
Maybe we should have gone to a park.
Yes.
No.
Oh,
I have allergies. But still, you couldn't ask for a more
Beautiful, wonderful
pretty
day today. Would you
like to go for a walk around the lake?
flower garden?
Want to go to a movie?
Maybe in a minute. I'd like to sit here for a few minutes.
And can we talk first?
Okay.
So, I understand you work in healthcare, the music industry.
I am so lonely.
Yeah, I'm a home health aide for old people.
I'm writing a book on your mother. That's wonderful. Exciting.
Please help me.
So,
Oh, I'm just a manager for a small office. I'm a computer consultant.
Just be real with me.
But I really want to
Be really real with me.
work in TV, own a farm someday.
Not restrain your emotions to my songs.
that's interesting.
Great.
Wait a minute. I have this friend.
I know this person
Have you read that book? Who Works in TV?
who owns a farm.
Think it,
Say it.
speak it, the interactive guide to kicking your inner child's ass. Yeah, she says TV is.
He says farming is
Oh, I know that. A lot of work. It changed my life. But rewarding.
Yeah. Yep.
It changed my life too. Before I read that book, I was so polite. I was into
Pseudo, ultra, judo, fake bonding.
like it says in the book, I would have met you here and just had a
So
shallow conversation
it must be really rewarding to
about nothing.
help elderly. Read about music.
But because of the book, I feel strong enough to say to you, please help me. I'll do that.
Oh yeah, it's so rewarding. I can see you do the time.
Classical music is my life.
I would help you. What's wrong?
See, I'm not really over my last boyfriend.
Some people get depressed when they look at the elderly.
He told me he was a home health aide for the elderly.
But I don't. I feel hopeful.
But he only had one patient,
I've lived so long, experienced so much.
his mother.
That's a beautiful thing.
Wow.
Every time I would go over to his house, he would excuse himself every few minutes. I just thought he had to be a lot, you know? But one day I heard someone talking. I asked him, who was that?
Oh, what? No, that was no one. You're obviously hearing things. I live alone.
But one day I tiptoed behind him and peeked in the room. There was an old woman in a chair. He was calling her
Mama.
I was very understanding. Oh, honey, is this your mother? You took care of her too? There's nothing to be ashamed of. It's sweet. Your mother knows others too. Then this woman was like, wrinkled the bruise. There now says,
Who are you? Who are you? I'm his one and only patient. His one and only patient. Get out! I'm the only one who gets her feet shaved around here, stepping on my toenail clippings. Get out! Get out!
2 days later, he was like,
Well, I try to be a home health worker, but Mama takes up all my time.
I love Mama, I love Mama, I love her, I do. But before that, she and Grandma took up all my time. I love Grandma, I love Grandma, I love her, I do. But Grandma is dead. And soon, Mama will be too. Then you'll into my house, I'll have kids. 2 boys and 2 girls. We'll teach them to be good little home health workers too. Just like Mama says, by the time we grow old, our social security check won't buy us a cup of milk.
So still like nickelback.
I know what you mean. I'm still looking up on my last girlfriend too. She said she wanted to be a farmer.
I know, it's a lot of work to be out there in the fresh country air.
A chicken farmer.
Communing with nature, feeding the land, feeding the chickens.
But that's not all that she wanted to do with those chickens.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. I don't know why we have to sneak into other people's barns all the time to make love. At first it was exciting, but now it's just weird.
You're so conventional.
No, I'm not. What was that?
Nothing.
Yes, it was. It hears like there were chickens. Chickens everywhere.
Don't touch them. I love them. Feel soft and gentle.
But we can't keep chickens in the apartment.
Quiet. Don't yell in front of them. See, they are sweet and gentle like kittens with feathers. Please just touch the chickens, baby. Touch the chickens. I'm ready to.
Yes.
What is wrong with us?
Come here.
For me, it has been a pattern of unhealthy relationships. There's one woman I dated. I died on classical music lover.
Classical music is truly the only great music art.
So it does.
And it's rhythms we hear streets, and it's truths we see ourselves.
I studied everything about classical music just so I could get close to her. I bought thousands of recordings. One time, I bought her this rare child fingerprint recording. It took me 6 months to find it. I was going to put it with her record collection, and I must have been some treat for door because, honey,
Yeah, baby?
I want to give you this.
Oh, wow, Chopin! Concert number 2. Wow, baby. Wow, thank you. Thank you.
I was going to put it with your other records and surprise me.
This is perfect.
And I found this.
That's for my friend. My friend.
A Justin Bieber CD. No, you hurry. Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez, Katy Perry. What is this? Thought you were cool.
Hey, be careful! You couldn't scratch them. One night, I couldn't sleep all right, so I turned on the radio. They were playing Baby by Justin Bieber. It was so beautiful, so relaxing. So calming. Justin Bieber is so beautiful. One day he'll be appreciated. One day. One day. I want you to teach me everything you know about music.
Justin Bieber.
So, you see, it must be.
No. Don't assume that. I dated this woman.
I know TV is supposed to be a vast wasteland,
Who wanted to work in TV.
but I think it's a powerful and effective medium
So, she watched a lot of TV.
to commute and express ideas.
But then I noticed she began watching only one program. Honey, do we have to watch? Shh. But you've seen this show 1,000 times already. All day and night. The Kardashians. She would take the show and watch it in fast forward and reverse.
See, right there.
What?
Kim just said I lost my diamond earring.
What?
She said I lost my engineering.
What are you saying?
Oh, I have this little language with Kim. You see, I believe she's trying to give me a message, so I speak her lines over and over again so I can understand.
A message?
Yeah, to the world. Did you know she created that baby girl perfume brand? And she has over 132 million followers on Instagram.
Connie,
But she's gone now. No word of her since 7:09 a.m. I can't find her. But I will. I know I will. I lost my nightmare. I lost my nightmare. I lost my nightmare.
Wow. I've never heard on TV that one before.
I will never watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians again in an hour or two.
I have to tell you something.
I
I
really
really
like
like you.
You're wonderful.
Terrific.
You've touched my inner song, and let me tell you, baby, it isn't playing Justin Bieber.
Why?
Well,
I think you're great.
Fantastic.
you touched my inner song too.
I would love to get to know you.
Some more time with you.
Coordinate your soul with mine.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. It's okay.
Well, I have
To stop at home.
My afternoon is completely free.